Hi there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about a conversation I had with a colleague on an approach I used with affiliate marketing. So whenever I'm endorsing a colleague of mine, for the most part, unless I forget, I always put two links. There's the affiliate link where I'll get paid something if people sign up with that. And there's a non-affiliate link, which they're welcome to click. And I don't get paid anything if they sign up. And I always put both. I always use the two of them. And this colleague of mine said, he said, wow, you really know your people's values. And it struck me. I thought, what do you mean I know my people's values? And I think what he was suggesting was, well, Tad, you work with hippies and they're very ethical, so doing such an ethical thing makes sense for your people. But you can see the next logical things. Then is it okay to use unethical things? Is it okay to do that? If you're in a less ethical market, you just do less ethical marketing. It was a strange thing to hear. It's not that I know my people's values, it's that I know people. I know how people work, yeah? And people don't want to be pressured. People would rather have a choice at the end of the day, whether they give me their money or they don't. They don't want to feel hoodwinked. They don't want to feel like the only reason I'm promoting something is to make money. They want to know that I'm promoting something because I think it's good, not because I think it'll be profitable. Yeah, for me. That's why. And I could say that, but I think showing it is better. And of course, the feedback is also very good on it. People say, wow, it makes me want to click the affiliate link more, But I'm sure there are people who click the non-affiliate link and buy just because they feel strange about the affiliate thing. And that's as it should be. But the idea that we only use ethical marketing approaches when it's an ethical market in some way, I just disagree. I want to see more ethics across the board, everywhere. I don't think that should be the metric. In fact, if you're in an unethical market, that's where it's needed the most. Yeah, that's where it's the most absent. And in fact, you're probably going to get the most astonished responses if in an unethical marketplace you start behaving very ethically and scrupulously. You'll probably get the most. It'd be better for you than it is for me. You'd get more mileage out of it than I do. So anyways, there's a little story, a little example today. I hope it's helpful for you in some way. Thanks for tuning in as always. Thanks to everyone who subscribes and likes my videos, shares them. I'm grateful. You can always learn more at marketingforhippies.com. Also on Instagram at marketingforhippies. Take care.